In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar. This is an easy tutorial, and by the end of it, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools to keep your life organized. Let's dive in and take it step by step for clarity and ease. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This should be a straightforward task, but it's important to ensure you're logged into the right Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Logging into the correct one will save you potential hassles further down the line. Next, in the Google search bar, type Google Gemini. This search will direct you to the resources and links you'll need to access Google Gemini's features. Take a moment to look over the search results, and you'll find the official link to the Google Gemini website. Click on it, and this will bring you straight to the homepage, where you'll be introduced to what Gemini has to offer. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, you'll want to start interacting with it by creating a prompt. A good example to get you going is something like this. At Google Calendar, schedule me a meeting with Alex on November 15th, 2025 at 5 p.m. This demonstrates how you can communicate your needs clearly and effectively to Gemini AI. The natural language processing capabilities of Gemini allow it to understand and execute your command, making scheduling quicker and simpler. After crafting your prompt, look around the page for the Submit button. Clicking this button is crucial as it prompts Gemini AI to process your request and perform the action accordingly. It's always a good idea to double-check that your command is accurate before submitting. Double-checking ensures that no crucial details are missing. With the command submitted, the last thing you'll want to do is verify that everything has been scheduled correctly in Google Calendar. Open up Google Calendar and navigate to the specified date. Make sure that the meeting with Alex has appeared at the correct time and date. If it's there, then congratulations. It's as straightforward as that. If not, go back and review the steps to see if there's a minor oversight that might need correcting. That wraps up our tutorial on using Gemini AI with Google Calendar. As you can see, integrating these tools can streamline your scheduling processes and make managing your time more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.